Okay, this is the first time I've ever done anything like this. I don't like doing videos, but this is my place, Naturally You, a private lock studio. And I have several things going on here, as you can see. So, I have been here for less than a year, and I'm still decorating. My room is not done, so I don't want to show it to you. However, on Saturdays we have a young lady that comes in and she does massages, and on Thursdays we have a young lady that comes in and she does natural manicures and pedicures. This is the room that they alternate out of for the massages. As you can see, it's pretty basic and simple. This is the sitting area over here. This is a coffee area, coffee and tea area for everyone. And we have this going on. I have several people that sell various things, from jewelry, I carry headbands and snappies, lock socks, and swimming caps for locks or braids or long hair. This is products for my clients, Sister Lock products. I do carry the Jane Carter wrap and roll. I have a client that also makes head wraps. Those are her head wraps. These are more products. I carry satin bonnet, satin line bonnet. That's what's going on. This is another waiting area. It's really all by appointment only. Shampoo area. I have water and things for my clients. Refrigerator.
Yes, ma'am. And happy Thanksgiving to you.
Thank you. Have a good one.